Tom works for a large banking firm as the IT director. He deals with a large amount of customer data on a daily basis. In addition to data security, management, and storage, Tom is responsible for on-premises maintenance of the bank's IT infrastructure. Due to these limitations, Tom is unable to expand the on-premise infra to accommodate the ever-increasing customer data. Tom decides to move the workload on cloud to tackle the difficulties but fears workload downtime, loss of visibility, migration failure, and customer data security. Since there are numerous cloud providers available, Tom is unsure how he moves his on-premise workload to cloud due to the following reasons. Which cloud service provider should be chosen? Scalability of cloud systems, replication of legacy application, data consistency, and reduced workload downtime. Customer data is the most important asset for banking firms, so Tom needed a solution that can help him in moving data on cloud without compromising data security. Click2Cloud's Cloud Intel platform enabled Tom to discover, assess, and optimize workload on his on-premise infrastructure. Cloud Intel combines art and science to aid in discovering, evaluating, comparing, and orchestrating cloud services. This tool provides valuable insights and a graphic ROI and TCO report as well as a migration roadmap. With Cloud Intel, Tom was able to choose right cloud provider and compare compute, storage, and networking resources to handle his on-premise workloads. Security-first mindset of Cloud Intel helped him evaluate data centers, applications, networks, databases, and infrastructure. Tom gained speed, adaptability, agility, efficiency, and cost optimization. Through Cloud Intel, customers are now able to access banking applications faster and more effectively. Cloud Intel has been a success in numerous industries including public sector, finance, manufacturing, telecom, healthcare, education, media, retail, agriculture, and more. Cloud Intel powered by Click2Cloud.